Let's understand the production procedures and packaging. Let's select packaging, click on add. I want to give a name to this package voucher as a 10th pack of mouse pad. So we buy a mouse pad in the loose quantity, and then we make package of 10 from these mouse pads. So loose item, let us select mouse pad, then add the formula for 10th pack mouse pad item. This item is created earlier in the item master. So one number of 10th pack mouse pad equal to 10 numbers of mouse pads. The formula is given. Click OK. So this packaging formula is saved. Now while adding a voucher, you have a button for packaging voucher. Click here. So select the packaging group, it's 10th pack mouse pad. Okay, so this is a packaging voucher. So on date 10/7/2003, I change it maybe 12/7/2003. Voucher number is automatic. 10th pack mouse pad, we are making such 3 pads, so 3 packs met. So this voucher is created. So current stock is 500. From this voucher we have reducing the quantity 30 mouse pads, and the closing balance of this loose item mouse pad is 470 now. So this packaging voucher is posted. If you want to see the stock status, so here you see 10th pack mouse pad and debit transactions 3. So where are they? They're in July. In July we have this packaging voucher. Let's say 0 as a blank, so that all those zeros will disappear and report will look clean. 10th pack mouse pad packaged 3, closing is 3, so we haven't sold them. And what happened to mouse pads? So 500 came in, the credit transaction is 30, those are consumed for that packaging voucher. So 470 is the balance, and stock value is this. Alright, so we understood about the packaging voucher. Let us understand the production procedures. In customize menu, production procedures submenu, click add. If I want say monitor manufacturing voucher, add. What all will consume? On case one number, add. Then the data cable one number, add. Logic card one number, add. After that picture tube one number, and then add. We have selected this power cable one number, the power supply one number. So consume, and what we are producing out of this is a monitor one number. So this is our bill of material. So these are raw materials and this is a finished good. So name for this procedure is monitor manufacturing. Let us see how to put the voucher for production. Control V again for adding a voucher, and we are producing monitor. If I change the quantity to 5, so AQURA will give you a warning that you have modified the quantity. Do you want to change the quantities of rest item proportionately? Yes. So rest of the items quantity is also changed. So we have produced 5 monitors. We can set the price for that monitor. Say 5,600. Okay. If you see the stock status or any other like item ledger for a particular item, say monitor, so you'll come to know when we have manufactured. This is a production voucher. 5 quantities produced and 5 is in balance, or you can view it in stock status. So first we'll view this monitor. 5 are manufactured, and see here for the raw material picture tube 23 we purchased, out of which 5 are gone in a manufacturing, closing is 18. Also the raw material power cable is consumed for production voucher. So here we have a production voucher in which this raw material is used. So we have seen the production voucher as well as packaging procedure. We also have a voucher called unpacking. So what you want to unpack, 10 pack of mouse pad. What I'll do is on 15/7 unpack one number. Okay, so here what we are doing, when we unpack the packaged item, so we have 10 loose items added to the current stock. So the current stock increases by 10 loose items. So one packed item is unpacked. So this is unpacking. Let us understand the service vouchers, service register, service heads. So to use them, initially we'll create certain service heads. I will say one service head is installation, another service head is training, another service head can be routine checkup. Okay, these are the service heads. Okay, now to use it effectively, let us create certain custom fields for a service voucher. Add service person who visited the client, then time taken for finishing the job, then met, to whom he met, the status, what is the status of this service call, that's all. Okay, so we have created certain custom fields. Let us put a service voucher. So you are giving service to a customer, service voucher on this date, voucher number 1. Service head you are installing first. So this amount is just as a reference amount. This will not reflect in any accounting. So you are giving service to customer company. Say installed the machinery, computer. Now here if you want to put any remark, say remark can be suggestion to the customer or anything. In a custom data, who is your service person? Sagar visited. Time taken is 2 hours. Met Sangeeta. Status done. Okay. One more service voucher will put maybe in 16.8. Another routine checkup. Customer company. Checked the system. Some remark. Data. Mode. 1 hour. See, Sangeeta was there already because previous voucher we have this entered. In the status also you can tag from the previous vouchers data. So here it builds the history of the custom field data. So each time if data is repeated, you need not to enter again and again. You just select it from the combo. Okay. Two service vouchers are posted. If you want to see the service register, go to browsers, service register. This is a service register. In service register, you have a date column, voucher number, service head, party, amount, reference, remark. If you want the custom field as a column, select those custom fields. The first is the service person, then status, time taken, met. Okay. So this will give you the custom fields as a column. First is a date, voucher number. Suppose I don't want voucher number. Service head, party. These two columns you don't want. Remark also was we hide, and this is a relevant data like who visited, what is the status, and how much time it took. So this creates your service register. So after sales service, if you want to maintain, you can have this service register for a party. Means for a particular customer you can have a record how many times your people have visited during the year, so that if your business is taking annual maintenance contract or service contracts based on number of visits, you can count the number of visits using this service register for a particular party. Also you can print this and give it to the customer. There are so many applications for having a service register.